Poor Johnny's heart went pity-pity-pat somewhere in sunny France. He met a girl by chance with the naughty, naughty glance. She looked just like a kitty-kitty cat. She loved to dance and play. So he learned no French. When he left the trench, he knew well enough to say, "Oui, oui, Marie, will you do this for me? Oui, oui, Marie, then I'll do that for you. I love your eyes, they make me feel so spoony. You'll drive me loony, you're teasing me. Why can't we polly-boo like other sweethearts do? I want a kiss or two from a chérie. Oui, oui, Marie, if you'll do this for me, then I'll do that for you. Oui, oui, Marie." They walked along the boulevard, he whispered, "You for me. Someday in gay Paris, I will make you marry me." Just then a bunch of bully boys threw kisses on the sly. Marie got wise when they rolled their eyes, they sang as they passed her by. "Oui, oui, Marie, will you do this for me? Oui, oui, Marie, then I'll do that for you. I love your eyes, they make me feel so spoony. You'll drive me loony, you're teasing me. Why can't we polly-boo like other sweethearts do? I want a kiss or two from a chérie. Oui, oui, Marie, if you'll do this for me, then I'll do that for you. Oui, oui, Marie. Oui, oui, Marie, will you do this for me? Oui, oui, Marie, then I'll do that for you. I love your eyes, they make me feel so spoony. You'll drive me loony, you're teasing me. I cannot learn to speak the Latin, French, or Greek, but I can kiss the cheek of ma chérie. Oui, oui, Marie, if you'll do this for me, then I'll do that for you. Oui, oui, Marie.
I got a brand new sweetie, better than the one before. Oh, she's got everything and a little bit more. I don't know much about her, and yet I know a lot. And what it takes to make me love her, I want to tell you she's got. Does she make everybody stare? I'll say she does. Does she go la-da-da-da, I don't care. I'll say she does. But is she nicer than me? And does she sit on my knee? Does she? I'll say she does. And does she crave a wedding and everything? I'll say she does. Was she happy to get the ring? You bet she was. When she dances, does she twist? Does she do a lot of things I can't resist? Does she? I'll say she does. It was so hard to get her, she can never get away. Because I'm watching her all the night and all day. I've always had her picture, I had it in my mind. I always knew the kind I wanted, and she's exactly the kind. Does she make everybody stare? I'll say she does. Does she go la-da-da-da, I don't care. I'll say she does. But is she nicer than me? And does she sit on my knee? Does she? I'll say she does. And does she crave a wedding and everything. I'll say she does. Was she happy to get the ring? You bet she was. When I kiss her, does she shout? Does she do a lot of things I can't talk about? Does she? I'll say she does.